Hello everyone, welcome to our second video of placement aptitude series. And today in this video I have come up with a very exciting puzzle which is asked in the interviews of many big companies like Goldman Sachs. So this is going to be very exciting, right? Without wasting much time, let's take the look at the puzzle. So what is given here is that Alok has three daughters. Okay, so there is one person whose name is Alok and he has three daughters. His friend Sham wants to know the ages of his daughters. Okay, so Alok has one friend Sham and Sham wants to know the age of all three daughters of Alok. Now, in order to determine the ages of the daughters, Alok gives him a first hint. Okay, so Alok gives hint to the Sham. The first hint is the product of their age is 72. Okay, so the first hint is what? The product of the ages of all the three daughters is 72. Now, Sham says this is not enough information, so Alok gives him a second hint, right? Because we cannot identify the ages of all the daughters on the basis of the product of all of those ages. So Sham asks for a second hint, and Alok gives him the hint. The sum of their ages is equal to my house number. Okay, so what is the second hint? The second hint is that the sum of the ages of all those girls, all those three girls, is equal to Alok's house number, right? Okay, now Sham goes out and looks at the house number and tells, I still do not have enough information to determine the ages. Okay, so Sham is saying that this information is still incomplete because he is not able to identify the age of all three girls on the basis of their addition, which is equal to the house number. So there must be something wrong. Now Alok admits that Sham cannot guess and gives him the third hint. So what Alok said? Alok said that okay, I admit that you cannot identify the age of all three girls on the basis of the above two hints. So you need a third hint. And what is the third hint? The third hint is the oldest girl likes strawberry ice cream. So this is the third hint, right? Now what is mentioned here? Sham is able to guess after the third hint. Can you guess what are the ages of the three daughters? So this is the puzzle. Okay, let me just simplify this entire scenario for you. Okay, there is one person whose name is Alok and he has three daughters, and Alok has a friend whose name is Sham, and Sham wants to identify the ages of all of the daughters of Alok, and for that Alok is giving one by one hints to Sham. The first hint is the product of their age is 72, right? Then the second hint is the sum of their ages is equal to the house number, but we do not know the house number, right? And Alok also admits that these two hints are not enough for you to identify the real age of all the three girls, and for that he gives him the third hint, which is the oldest girl likes strawberry ice cream. Now on the basis of these three hints, right, the product one, the addition one, and the oldest girl likes strawberry ice cream, we have to identify the age of all the three daughters of Alok, right? So I would like to request you to pause this video and try to solve this puzzle by yourself, and let's see if you can find the solution, right? And if you find the solution, then we can see the solution, and if you don't find the solution, then don't worry, because now we will be taking a look at the solution, right? Okay, so let's take a look at the solution. What is the first hint in our hand right now? The first hint is the product of the ages of all the three girls is 72. So what we can do in this case, that we can list out all the possible products which are equal to 72, right? So I have done this thing here. Product of ages is 72. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to write all the possibilities which is going to give me the product 72. So first what I did is I write 1 into 1 into 72, which will give me 72. Basically what I am doing is I am taking all those three numbers whose multiplication will be equal to 72. So this is the entire table which I will get. Okay, so I have utilized the first hint, but I cannot identify the ages of all the three girls on the basis of this information only, and for that Alok has provided second hint, which is the sum of their ages is equal to my house number. So what I have to do now, you are right, what we have to do, we have to find all the possible summations now. So I have done the same thing, I have just added all those ages with each other and found out all the possible combinations, right? Now you see, all the additions which I have got are unique except only two additions. Okay, and which are these two additions? So these are the two additions. Here I am getting 14 in both the cases. Okay, except these two cases, all the additions which I am getting are unique. It means they all are different from each other. But in this case, I am getting 14, right? And that's why if you take a look at the question carefully, Alok was admitting that Sham cannot guess and gives him the third hint, and that is why we can identify from here. Okay, just imagine if your friend tells you that the sum of the ages of his daughters is equal to my house number. Okay, is equal to my house number, then you can easily identify now, because what you have to do is that you just have to list out all the possible solutions, and then you have to match the result with the house number. For example, the house number will be 19. Okay, we are just imagining, this is not the right answer, but let's just imagine that the house number is 19. Okay, and Alok has given me the hint that the house number will be the addition of the ages of all the three girls, and I have taken a look at the house number and it was showing me 19. Now what I can do is that I can just list out all the possible combinations, and the answer which will be matching to this number, which is 19, will be the correct answer. So I can easily say that the different ages of the daughters will be what? 1, 6, 12, right? So that means that I can identify the solution from the hint 2 only. But that was not the case, and that is why Alok was giving us the hint, and he was admitting that you cannot find the ages only from this hint. Okay, from the second hint, and that could only happen in one case, when the house number is getting repeated. So here we can clearly say that the house number will be 14. Only then you will not be able to identify the ages, because otherwise if you will be getting unique number, or the house number will be the addition, or the house number will be equal to the addition which is a unique number, then you can easily identify, right? So in this case we can say that these two combinations which we have got, which is 2 plus 6 plus 6 and 3 plus 3 plus 8. Now from these two combinations we have to choose the right answer. Okay, because these are equal to 14 and the house number must be 14, because again I am mentioning this thing, Alok himself was admitting that you cannot identify the age of all the three girls from the second hint only, which was the house number, right? And I've already explained you the reason also, because if the house number would be unique, okay, so you can easily identify from all these possible combinations that what would be the age of all those three girls, right? But you are not able to do that, and that's why he has given the third hint, which was the oldest girl likes strawberry ice cream. And here is the real answer hidden. He said the oldest girl likes the strawberry ice cream. So if you take a look at this two possible solutions which we have got, 2 plus 6 plus 6 and 3 plus 3 plus 8, from both of these combinations we can observe one thing, that here the age of one girl is 2, the age of second girl is 6, and the age of third girl is 6. Okay, and here the age of one girl is 3, the age of second girl is 3, and the age of third girl is 8. So what was mentioned in the third hint? The thing which was mentioned in the third hint was the oldest girl. The oldest girl, it means there is only one girl in this pair who is the oldest one, right? Likes the strawberry ice cream. It means the two of the remaining sisters are younger than her. So what could be the possible solution in this case? You guessed it right, the possible solution will be 3, 3, 8, because here only 8 is the age, which shows you that there is only one girl who is elder than the remaining two, right? If you select 2 plus 6 plus 6, then in that case we will be having two girls who will have the same age, and they will be elder than the third one. So that could not be the possible solution, because it was clearly mentioned in the hint 3 that only one girl, and that was the oldest girl, who likes the strawberry ice cream. So that's why we can say that the girl whose age is 8 is the one who likes the strawberry ice cream, and the remaining two girls will have the age of 3, it will be of 3 years old, right? So this is the possible solution of this puzzle. So this is how you can identify the ages of all those three girls. I hope that you would have understood this thing, and this was the puzzle. I hope that you like this puzzle, and with this I am ending this video. I'll keep bringing on this kind of puzzles. Okay, this was asked in Goldman Sachs and many other companies, so that's why I thought that let me just share this puzzle with all of you, and I'm going to share more such puzzles in future as well, so that you can prepare for it, right? And yeah, one more thing, I'm also going to upload the videos on object oriented programming, and those videos will be in Hindi language, because undergraduate students are also watching these videos for preparing for their examinations. So I'm thinking that I'll be uploading those videos in Hindi, right? Yeah, so that was the thing. Thank you so much for watching this video till the very end, and I hope that you liked it. And if that was the case, I am requesting you to like this video and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.